Hey Fixsters, and welcome to this video where I want to show you how to fix the Python index error. So if Python throws the error message list index out of range, it's a stupid bug. Still, it happens to all of us. So in this tutorial, we'll show you quickly how to get rid of it. So the index error arises if you access invalid indices in your Python list. So let's open the interactive share so that I can demonstrate some example code and save it. Okay, so say you have the following list of 3 elements like Alice, Bob, and Anne, and you want to access the 100th element. Then Python will throw the error message list index out of range. So it's a frequent bug. If you try to access a list element with an index that does not exist in the list, then Python throws the index error. So the fix is easy, is of course to use the index 2, for example, index 2, which exists in the list. And this may be obvious to you, but one frequent mistake is that people try to access the 3rd element with index 3 and the 4th element with index 4 and so on. It makes sense, logical, I know it's intuitive, and this error happens all the time. Yeah, so you need to know that indexing starts with the first index 0. So the first element of any sequence type in Python has index 0. The second element has index 1. The third element has index 2, and so on. So the ith element has index I-1. Okay, so the first element has index 0, it's Alice. Second element has index 1, it's Bob. Third element has index 2, it's Anne again. And so if you try to access now the 4th element with index 3 because you think it's a 3rd element, then Python will throw the index error out of range. Okay, so this error appears in those cases, and sometimes it's more difficult to find. For example, if you have a for loop like here. So this is now wrong code. Don't do this at home. So if you have a for loop of you iterate over a list with 4 elements, you use some kind of indexing scheme here. You think that the length of the list, it in the range function, it's excluded, that the last element to which you iterate is excluded, so you increase it by 1 for some reason. Okay, and then you simply print the thing here. Yeah. So for example, like this, you have this code. Now it throws the list index out of range error. Why? So now to get rid of this code, to analyze this code in general, so this is general strategy. If you don't know why this error occurs, then you should do the following. You should see, okay, in line 5, in this statement, print list I, the list index is out of range. So now we go to line 5, this is this line, and now just before this line you add another print statement where you print the index. Okay, and this helps you then, just before this error is thrown, you see the index for which Python tries to access the element. And this index, now you see the source of the problem. You see the wrong index, which is 4. And now you can analyze your code. Okay, can't I access the index 4 in our list of 4 elements? Now you see immediately, okay, it doesn't work. We have the wrong index here. So now you can eliminate the source of the error, the source of the wrong index. So why does Python even try to access an element with index 4? And yeah, the source is that you tell Python in the loop definition to go all the way from element 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 to element 4. So the index 4 should be excluded. You reduce it by 1. Therefore, the last index in your loop, the last loop variable I will have the value 3. So you have 0, 1, 2, 3, and 3 will be the last one. So now it should work. Now it shouldn't throw the index error anymore. If you execute the code, you see, okay, the last element is Carl and last index is 3, so everything works properly. So this tip, like printing the last index just before the error is thrown, will usually get rid of the error, of the mistake. And of course, this can also happen. This index error can also happen if you have a tuple, for example. So you have a tuple of 2 elements, Anne and Carl, and you want to access like the second element and use index 2, then of course it doesn't exist. Second element has index 1. Okay, the ith element has index I-1, so you need to do the following. Okay, so this works. So, and also this works for strings. If you have a string like Python and you want to access the fifth element of Python, then you could try something like this. The Python has 6 elements, so fifth would if you would try to access the 6th element, then it would throw the index error. And to access the 6th element, you should use this index 5, the correct index 5. Okay, so if you like this video, then give it a like and subscribe to my email academy, where I will give you a lot of free Python lessons. I will show you everything from lists to data structures to Python sets to dictionaries to algorithms. You will have a lot of Python puzzles. You will learn about computer science, more advanced computer science topics like regular expression and so on. So I will teach you the whole field. I will give you the overview of the whole field in Python. It's the only Python email academy that's free and that has a course library of more than 100 email lessons with video tutorials and puzzles and everything. So check it out. Subscribe to my email academy. I give it a link in the description below. And see you soon. Bye.